Hi, Bamf coming to you from SWAT Fortress here in the Northwest. Today we've been given a first look at the SSR SSR from Mil-Spec and Raptor Airsoft. As you can see, this is the black version and it's apparently the first one outside of Asia in the UK. So we're going to take a quick look at it and have a quick firing test. We are with the second of Mil-Spec's offerings to us, the SCAR AEG. It differs slightly from the SSR version in that it's not as long, obviously, and the gas tool is accessible. It's not shrouded in like the SSR version is. Also has these flip-up sights, which is, as you noticed on the SSR version, we had the scope fitted. We'll give this one a quick shoot also, shall we? There we are with a couple of the SCAR variants. This is the SCAR AEG from SWAT, and I'd like to thank Mil-Spec and Raptor Airsoft for giving us the opportunity to have the first look at these rifles in the UK, and from Bamf and the Airsoft Odyssey at SWAT Fortress in the Northwest. Thanks for watching.